Casey from Ricochet here. I am going to show you how to add an Ajax flag link to a node in a view. It's pretty straightforward. You start off with a basic view. I've changed the format to be a table. We're going to have to add two fields here. The first one is going to be a node ID. And once this pops up, you just search for NID. And the important thing to note here is that we're going to actually want to hide this. So we'll click Exclude from Display, because we just want this to be available for the PHP field that we're going to add. Then we click Add Field again. I'm going to search for PHP. You need to make sure that you have the Views PHP module installed. I'm doing this on Drupal 7. And this is going to give us the option, I'm just going to change the label here to be flag. And down here in the output codes, you want to put the code that I actually put in the blog post. You want to change this section to obviously be a flag that you've actually created. Once you've created that flag, it should work for you. So it's important to note, if you looked at that code, you would see row arrow NID, and that refers to this variable right here. You can look at your available variables, and that'll tell you what you can actually use in the PHP field. The important thing is just to make sure that this NID field is above the PHP flag or the PHP code that you added. If we come down and look, you'll see that the results here are flag, the flag Ajax text, and the node title. If you click this guy, you'll be able to check and uncheck it, and that'll actually change the flag and the value. One thing that I didn't mention in the blog post is you'll need to actually create the flags, which is a pretty important component here. So you can do that by adding the flags module and just adding a flag. And it's important to note that you need to limit the field by that content type. So if you try to embed this PHP and it tries to apply to a node type that doesn't have a flag associated with it in the flag settings, you're going to get an Ajax error. So that's something to keep in mind. And that's it. Save your view and you're ready to go.